What up, Yankee faces? This is your boy, S.I. Rico, and y'all know I've been having that wood grain steering wheel on my car for a while now. It's a name brand, but I don't know the name. I forgot the name. But when I was painting that steering wheel, you guys know, like, the inside of my steering wheel is black, but the spokes was originally like a polished, silver or something like that. Just it was polished, and I didn't like that. That shit looked tacky. So went online and bought your boy a new steering wheel. Oh yeah, this is nice, bro. This is really nice. Woo. Nicer than oh my gosh. Much nicer than I expected. My gosh, dude. And I like to drive like this too. I like to put my elbow up on the side and my thumb like to chill right here. That's how that's how I'm realizing I like to drive. Like this. This is nice, dude. This is really, really nice. Ooh-wee. This noise. You can, inspect the stitching. Because, some people be complaining about stitching. How stitching is not right. The stuff that people can't complain about. Unless something's coming with scratches or something like that. But the metal is thick. Just as thick as my sparkle wheel on my CRX. Stitching is shit on point, #1. Check this out. Stitching is on point. Yes. Oh, that's quality wheel right there, baby. Now that's a quality wheel. It's nice. It's real nice. And the weight don't weigh much either. I also bought a new quick release and a new shift knob, hybrid racing shift knob. Amazing. I felt the hybrid racing shift knob for the first time not too long ago, and the shift knobs are amazing. Can't wait to get that. I will be reviewing that. And we bought a new quick release. It's by a company called let me see, by a company called Course Motorsports. They're one of those, made in the USA. They're one of those small companies that make really, really good products that people really don't know about, like Racing. Racing is a small company, but they make really, really high-end products for cars, like Porsches and all cars, but German cars, foreign cars too, like stuff like that. And most likely you don't even see Honda guys even use, but that's why you got me, your boy, for y'all. So yeah, this is a quick unboxing of this steering wheel. I like it. It's really nice. Lightweight. Stitching is A1+. Love it. Not bendable. It's nice. A really, really nice wheel. Feels really good in your hands. This is a 350 wheel. And here's the horn button, which I'm not going to use, but yeah. In fact, let's see the quality of the horn button. I know some of these are cheaply made. Check this out. Oh yeah, horn is quality. Yes, this is super quality. See how the locking mechanism Oh yeah, works nice. I never was a fan of these bezels right here. They just look completely ugly as shit to me. Never use those. But we will, you know. I can fuck with the horn though. By itself. If you want a horn, then yeah, but if not, then no. But we're going to, we don't even need to use the screws at all. Just need the wheel. When my new quick release get here, we will be mounting this to the quick release and be doing the install, baby. This is nice. This is real nice. Oh my gosh. Much better than that wood grain wheel that I have now. No, bring it back whenever you come back. Yeah. We just need a flathead screwdriver because there's not much to it. That one looked like total shit. When you need a flathead, I am such need of some tools, bro. Like, I'm tired of this right here. I'm in such need of some actual tools. I really gotta go buy me some tools, for real. And usually, I see nothing but flatheads. And now I'm seeing all Phillips. Where my flathead screwdriver at, bro? Never gonna find it. You see? That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. You see? Oh, fuck it. This one will work. Forget it. I need to vacuum my car too. Alright, so basically, it ain't really much to it, you know. Everything's set up, so just get your flathead and unloosen these right here. It actually wasn't too tight, to be honest. Let me see. No, they're not too tight. Yeah. When I tighten this up finally, I'm putting some Loctite on these bad boys. Well, might not be able to get that one. That one was loose. That one was loose. I may change screws too, to be honest. When I put it on finally, for the final time, I'm gonna change screws, because these right here is just not it. But y'all know us humans are impatient. I don't know. I may raffle this steering wheel off to someone. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go get my box because I'm gonna get this to someone. Someone can use a different steering wheel. I'll raffle it off. There we go. I can just do that. That's exactly where I left this one last. But this one was loose too. They all was loose, to be honest. Set this over here. Okay, I'm gonna try to sit y'all up and do this with no hands. Hopefully y'all can see like that. And then we take our new wheel. Whew, so nice. I was gonna say, hold up, bro. Wait, hold up. These. Wait. I forgot how my wheel I forgot how my wheel was turned. Hold up.
Was it like this or was it this way? I think it was this way. We're gonna see. Hold on. I forgot how my wheel was oriented. Alright, let's see. Put that in there. And we're gonna put the other one right here. I was gonna say, all snaps, this bad boy don't line up. Alright. Where's the screwdriver? Yeah, I will be Loctiting these bad boys when I install the quick release, the new one. Install this bad boy on the new quick release. Damn, AAA. Yeah, look at this. This is just why I don't want this quick release anymore. All that play in the quick release, bro. That's all coming from the quick release. Not feeling it. So, put these bad boys back in. See him in the club with the models on. Hey, y'all fuck with Jadakiss? I like Jadakiss. I listen to Jadakiss. Jadakiss is the shit. One thing now too about like social media, you can see so much. You can see like so much across the world now. Like, it's so dope. You can see, you know, anybody can post whatever, like whatever they want now, for the most part. Bro, this steering wheel feels amazing. Really liking this steering wheel, bro. This steering wheel feels so good. It looks so much better too. I really should be doing this with a bigger flathead, but we're gonna make it work right now. Yeah, I'm most definitely switching these screws out. Oh yeah, dude. This looks much better. Yeah, but this play though, that's why you don't buy cheap stuff. But as far as the wheel, yes. Woo wee, baby. Liking that. I'm liking that a lot though. Woo. Yes. Look at my shift knob. Woo. Change the entire feeling of my car, baby. Later on, I'm gonna change my seats though. Go with a stock Honda seat, and I'm gonna put a reclinable Bride in the driver's seat. Yeah, this Play-Doh is trizash, but the wheel is nice. Yeah, coming from all this right here. The only reason I went with this quick release was because this setup, the ball setup, is not like the NRG, so someone can't just have an NRG quick release and just put their quick release on here and it would not work. Made totally different. That's not I'm gonna still have the same concept too with the new quick release that I bought, but someone would have to have that brand quick release and to take this car, and I don't even see anyone. I haven't even seen a car period running this brand quick release, let alone another Honda. So yeah, but steering wheel is on, looking mighty nice, baby. Ooh, I'm like, where is this car from? It's my dead skin from my hands. I'm like, what the hell? But yeah, this look good with the black and the brown, baby. Much better than that right there. Whew. And you know me, I like to drive like this. You know, I like to be in my car like this. So with my thumb right here, oh, so much better, baby. This is nice, bro. 10 and 2, feeling good. Yeah, I like to race like this. I like to hold my wheel like this when I race. Yeah, this plate, oh my gosh, this plate is, y'all hear that? Oh my gosh, that plate is nasty, bro. But yeah, loving the wheel. Hope you guys like the install. I wasn't gonna unbox it, baby, and not install it for you guys, but yeah, this is really nice. And hope you guys like the quick unboxing and the install on the hatch. So nice. And this your boy SR Rico, and rate, comment, subscribe, and if y'all like the POV ride-alongs, hey, I'll keep making them. Check this out. Got the GoPro strap right here. That's the view we getting. So nice. But this your boy SR Rico. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And y'all already know, never waste your time, and I'm out. Peace.